Good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Aboni James. This is POP board, as you can see. And this is the way we cast the board. As you can see, we have put the roboting. You can see we have put the roboting, and then here is the batting. So we use aluminum batting, and then we use tie rod, and this is tie rod. This is tie rod. The reason why we use the tie rod to straight the edges of the board, of POP board. So we use aluminum batting, and then we use tie rod. As you can see, this is the first mixing. So after the roboting, you put the first mix. The fillers. Then you put the fillers. This is the fillers. You can see this is as you can see, without a fillers POP is meaningless. Without fillers POP is meaningless. And then this is the last mixing after the fillers. This is the last mixing. You can see you put cement inside water and I mix it together. You can see it's mixing it. It's mixing it. It's mixing it. Then you put the back of the fillers. This is POP board. You spread it on the back of the fillers. You can contact us on 08063098718. This is just the beginning. This is the starting point, you can see. When we dress the edges, This is the edges. You can see there's no plaster on the floor. There's no plaster on the floor. This will save your materials when you put the buttons. To definitely save your materials when you put the buttons. But if you don't put the buttons, it will waste materials. It will waste materials. You can see there's no cement on the floor. No mixing on the floor at all. You can see. Yeah, you can see this is cornice. This is cornice. So it's dried enough it's dried enough now, so we want to remove it. can see when it's dried, it will be easily to be removed. You can see, very nice design. Very nice design. Very nice design. You can see the face. You can contact us for your project. You can see this is the cornice. This is the cornice. Here is the budge. You can see the face. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.